So I wanted to show you my bamboo cutting board that I have. I love this thing, and there's several things that I really like about it. First of all, you can use it on both sides. So if you use it like on the back side, which we would use and put, like if we're gonna cook out and we're cutting meat, I would cut that on the back side. But then if I was going to be cutting up fruit or cheese or something like that, put it on this side. And this side, as you can tell, has little grooves around the side. So if you are doing like oranges or something, then it helps the juice kind of flow but not run off onto your counter and make a mess. So I like that. But this is made of bamboo, which is really nice. First of all, it's dishwasher safe, so you can just throw it in the dishwasher when you're done, and it absolutely does not hurt it at all. It's also BPA free. So many others have made of like the plastics and stuff that have some chemicals in it, but bamboo is like a natural wood. And for this to be such good quality, it just makes me feel like I'm eating safer because there's nothing leaching into my food when I put it on here. And you can tell it's a thinner design, it's lightweight, but yet it's very solid and very durable. I don't know, I just really like mine, so I just thought I would show it to you. If you're thinking about getting a good cutting board, I would say just give this one a try and see what you think.